Basher!
Para makita mo.
Basher, lagi kayo mo. Basher, yung passenger sa likod. Sarap sa paking.
Wow!
Ay, may tao na pala. Sorry po.
Sorry. Meron ba? Hindi na nakabisik kayo ma-report ko.
Turn left onto P. Guevara Street, then turn right onto Mons.
Ban kami for driving, but like...
At dahan, it gets banned?
Daw, they said. I don't know. But JP is live before. Usually, nag-drive naman siya. So I thought it was allowed.
Turn right onto Mons, then slide left onto Jose Abad Santos.
Bro, but you can't make it louder because maban po ta.
Ah, really?
Yeah, bro.
What?
Copyright.
I thought it was... I be singing on TikTok.
Copy wrong.
Slide left onto Jose Abad Santos.
I don't know because I got reported the last time we were together. Na-report ba? Kakanta ta sa
No, it was because I was driving.
No, bro. Really?
I don't know. That's
I
what
have
they
no
said.
idea. I get reported anyway. Gina-report man ko nila good.
Yung ano mang report mamoy na buo.
Ano ma-report mo, teacher mo?
In 300 meters, Jose Abad Santos turns right and becomes Colonel Bonnie Serrano Avenue.
Do I go straight?
Diri! Oh my god.
Kasi
I can't with these people, babe. I'm so drained.
ano mo?
I wanna go home.
Nah.
To you.
Nadrin po ko kaya ang anak dito.
Wala pa cat food. Guys, may cat food
No,
ba?
guys, nangita pa may pet shop, guys. Ganiya pa may nag-find og pet shop because of this girl. My god.
PCO.
Dahil.
The hell?
PCO.
Basing tayo mga pet shop along the way here.
I wanna be next. Where's my ano? Don't ask me
In
about the
400
ships because I'm a
meters,
debug.
turn left onto Granada.
Mga bata ba nag-inom?
Asa ito nga chocolate napatay?
You won't want to hear.
I think it's so... Why is it? It's dark yun. It's still dark.
You already know what you mean to me. All love, the only one worth
Is this Go?
fighting for. Wherever you
Go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow.
Amping to amping.
Salamat, bro.
I'm alive every night I'm listening.
Oh my god. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be
Nag-rockstar.
Okay, just because you're not driving now, okay, say hi to your followers.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening.
Ay, siya din nag-charge today.
Si Ate Lok. Naipar ba sa likod?
Huwag na, ayoko na.
Day.
Ay, doon eh.
Then look at this.
Oh, that's so cool. Ah, anchor. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Ay, sorry. Sorry ah.
Right.
Because you know, guys, she became sassier.
What?
What?
Who?
Wala, I didn't say anything.
I got sassier.
I didn't say anything. What you talking about?
Bruh. You got sassier.
What? Me? What do you mean? Shut up.
What you mean? What you mean?
Maybe we're getting to the stage where you're losing the ate privileges.
Wow!
Wow! Grabe yung nga. Isa? Buang!
Oh, this is fancy.
Yeah, I know, right? That's my favorite. Thank you, Ate C.
Thanks, Ate C. Who's Ate C?
Doon na padala dat.
Thanks, Ate C.
Buang man siya mag-drive. You shade sa gabi eh. My God.
Bro, wala ko ga-start.
Kay! Ay, ko lang. Bro, you're gonna make edit. Stop.
Turn left onto Granada.
Kalma lang, guys.
Can you like, okay. She's so, oh
Thanks,
my
Ate
God.
C.
Oh my God, she be touching the lens, bro.
I did not. I did not.
I don't think she's Ate Jas today, guys. She's like a 17-year-old. Oh, I'm 18! 18 pa lang. What can I see? Nabugrit. Can you enough?
Sakit pa sa kulikod. Hey.
See, she's an oldie.
Yeah. Grabe. I'm only 25 but I got so much na. I gained so much from...
Ate just naipit ang
Ano yun?
Random na ato nagawas.
Basta, sige.
Pet with my papa.
Why? Say bro.
May anong ulam? Wala, hindi pa kami kumain.
Ginamos.
Ako. Ay.
Wala
Ibig
ko
sabihin
ginamos
nun.
ay.
She's not 18 today, guys. Parang nag-switch kami ni Rain. Kasi on your period.
Kagugisipan.
What's a connection?
Di ba? Remember na itong status sa loob sa balay ni Kuya?
Unya.
Like, hindi ko atang dua.
Oh.
Then we just laugh.
What is that? Can you remember, please?
Parang Jolie.
Ate Jolie.
I was like, cause Rain and Guy, and then Jolie and I.
Oh.
And then, anak ko, di ba, twins mo sa lulod ni Kai?
Oo.
And then, Jolie, kita pa twins. But then, lahi ang nadungog ni Jolie. So, Jolie said something else. And then,
No, what was it? I want to remember.
oh, we were talking about period before that. And Jolie's like, buti wala kang craving.
Yeah. So, I don't like this guy. So, Ate Jolie, Ate, Ate Jas ba, sa bahay ni Kuya, she was like, si Rain at Kai parang twins, tapos kami ni Ate Jolie.
So, it's like 17
Oh.
and 25.
Oh,
24.
kami ni Jolie twins. And then Ate Jolie was like, buti wala kang cravings.
Because before that, we were talking about period. Tapos, Rain started laughing. And then I started laughing.
Tapos wala na tumatawa guys, tumatawa pa rin kami kasi gidugo kami.
But we didn't understand a thing. But we were laughing and then Julie and Kai were like, what's going on?
No, and then it kept going, something happened again.
Diba?
And then something happened again. Tapos, oh my God.
Katong hapit na nahulog ang plato.
Ang butoy, basta it's so funny. Oh, sakit sa akin siyan.
Ay, nako. Good times, good times.
Gimingo na kung tanog anime. Uy.
Crazy. Ano pa mga funny moments?
In 600 meters, turn right onto N Domingo.
You know, I tried to remember last time. Minsan ko lang siya remember.
No, we laughed so hard. Kato ba? Solid. We were laughing so hard.
It's been raining in PBB.
It's been